Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As you know, when we take a TOEFL test, and the second part of the test is structure and written expressions. You should finish doing this part for 40 items in 25 minutes. Jadi seperti kalian ketahui, di bagian tes TOEFL yang kedua itu adalah structure and written expressions, and you have to finish doing this part. Kalian harus menyelesaikannya 40 soal in 25 minutes. And now I would like to share my experience. Jadi saya akan berbagi aja. Besides grammar mastery, selain penguasaan grammar, in my experience, I don't need to read every single word. Jadi saya nggak perlu membaca semua soal, and I can guess what topic, what topic. I can guess the topic. After that, I have to recognize the keyword. Jadi saya harus mengenal, or I have to find the keyword. Kata kunci apa? So in this part, we have to try to learn to find the keyword, especially the verb forms. Okay, please pay attention to my explanations. When you take a grammar test like TOEFL test in structure and written expressions, one of important materials is verb forms. It is very important for you to decide which appropriate verbs. Jadi penting kata kerja yang mana. It only needs a keyword. Ini jadi mengerjakannya hanya membutuhkan kata kunci saja. Well, ada 3 materi, there are 3 materials, gerund, to infinitive, and causative. Ada 3 materi ya, masih ingat, gerund, to infinitive, dan causative. And we'll have some questions here. For the first question, pertanyaan yang pertama. John is working hard for his examination. His examination, sorry. He avoids blah 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 out too much. Please look at the options. A, going, B, go, C, to go, and D, goes. What is the keyword? Kita lihat kata kuncinya apa di sini. The keyword here is avoid. Still remember, avoids is followed by, kalau kita masih ingat, okay, that's correct. Bahwa avoid di sini diikuti dengan verb ing. Nah, kira-kira mana yang bentuk ing? Okay, that's right. Jadi ini adalah pelajaran gerund. Jadi jawabannya adalah the answer is A, going. Ya, untuk macam-macam kata kerjanya kalian bisa lihat tabel gerund. And next question. Tanya selanjutnya. They decided not to go anywhere since karena ya. Di sini since my sister wasn't keen on A, travel, B, to travel, C, traveling, D, travels. Oke, di sini kata kuncinya adalah on. Masih ingat preposisi apabila diikuti kata kerja, semua preposisinya berbentuk ing. Semua kata kerjanya apabila ada preposisi berbentuk ing. Jadi on adalah preposisi diikuti dengan verb ing. Jadi jawabannya the answer is C, traveling. Untuk kata sekarang bisa lihat. Next question, question number 3. The environmental group hopes blah 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 the forest to its original condition by the end of decade. Please look at the options. Masih kelihatan lihat pilihan jawabannya. Di situ A, restore, B, to restore, C, restoring, D, to have restored. Please remember the keyword here is hope. Hopes. Jadi kata kuncinya adalah hope. Ingat, hope di sini diikuti dengan to verb one. Jadi kalian bisa lihat jawabannya adalah to restore. Nah, untuk kata kerja to infinitive kalian bisa lihat tabel to infinitive, kalian bisa carinya. Hope salah satunya. Next question. The director made his workers bla 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 the document. Di situ ada kata A sign, B to sign, signing, D signed. Sign di sini berarti adalah menandatangani. Jadi direktur membuat pekerjanya menandatangani. Please remember the word make or made ya. Please the keyword. Remember for the words help, let, make, followed by object, di situ adalah his worker, and followed by verb one. Jadi tidak usah pakai to, tidak usah pakai ing ya kata kerjanya. Untuk kata made di situ, jadi jawabannya adalah A, sign. Next, the president had his advisors a press conference. Presiden had, di sini had berarti menyuruh. Had advisors, menyuruh advisornya bla 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 konferensi pers. Ya, arranged, to arrange, arranging, and arrange. Remember the material, the causative material. Well, for the word have or had, ya, followed by object plus verb one. Jadi di materi causative apabila ada kata have yang berarti menyuruh advisernya ya, menyusun di situ. Nah, hanya butuhkan verb satu saja. You know the answer? Sudah tahu mana yang hanya verb satu di situ? Okay, the answer is D, arrange. Nah, ingat had di situ berarti menyuruh. Nah, sekarang bagaimana kalau had-nya diganti dengan got? The president got his advisors bla 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 a press conference. Presiden menyuruh advisors-nya a press conference. Yap. And the same options dengan pilihan jawaban yang sama. Ya, A arrange, B to arrange, C arranging, and D arrange. Please remember for the word get is different from have. Kalau have hanya verb satu, but get here followed by object is followed by to verb one. Itu bedanya. Meskipun tadi maknanya sama, tapi untuk kata get di sini membutuhkan to verb one. Artinya sama, presiden menyuruh advisernya menyusun konferensi pers. Jadi jawabannya di situ adalah the answer is B, to arrange. Well, that's all my explanation about the verb forms. See you in next part. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.